The wooden Pickett Mini by CALLUM is a redefinition of the classic British icon. Built on a fully restored Mk5 Sportspack body shell, it incorporates an entirely bespoke design package, drawing on both Wood and Pickett's coach-building legacy and CALLUM's contemporary design expertise. Beneath the bonnet, performance meets precision. A newly rebuilt 1,310 cubic centimetre Stage 3 road or rally engine delivers a 110 brake horsepower, paired with a re-engineered gearbox and retuned ECU for responsive power delivery. Highlights include a new performance cylinder head, twin-point injection, and a bespoke twin-exit exhaust system with a distinctive upswept tailpipe design. Handling has been fine-tuned for modern comfort and control with a road-tuned suspension kit, upgraded brakes featuring vented and grooved 8.4-inch discs, and CALLUM-designed 13-inch alloy wheels developed specifically for the project. Improvements to noise, vibration, and harshness, NVH, ensure that luxury meets performance in every mile. Inside, the transformation is even more striking. A newly designed dashboard, inspired by Wood and Pickett's famed Margrave interiors, blends retro influence with modern precision. A unique piano switch pack, finely finished metal bezels, and CALLUM-trimmed bespoke seats elevate the cabin's aesthetic and tactile experience. Each Wood and Pickett Mini by CALLUM is hand-built in the UK and offered in a limited production run, starting at £75,000. No two builds will be alike. Each customer will collaborate closely with CALLUM's design team to create a Mini that reflects their individual vision.